Hello and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015 the Ram 1500. Good looking truck. Stock number is 7160. Let's take a virtual video walk around. Look at this impeccable vehicle. Take notice of the exterior condition. We're going to take you on all sides of this Ram 1500. No dents, no dings, no scrapes, no scratches. 4x4 edition, of course. Tow package. Does have the bed liner, rear power slider. This vehicle has had a 150-point inspection completed on it. Peace of mind driving. Warranty protection for life. That's right. How does that sound? At no extra cost to you on this truck. Interior looks impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains. Taking a look at the front dash. Easy access for controls. Automatic transmission. For more information on this truck or any of the trucks we have in our inventory, call us, email us, or better yet, text us. We'd love to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. And let's go take this for a drive. We look forward to meeting you in person. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying take care.